find out area. How to find out area. So here I will show you my work by doing this camera back, and then you will see this, and you will listen and you will write it. You will listen and you will write it. Okay, I will explain this. You will
I'm
listen also,
writing
and same
book.
time in copy, same time you will listen and you will write. Okay, today is math class, page number 131. Math class, page number 131. Area, I'm going to teach you
Excuse
today
me, ma'am.
area.
So,
Page number 131, area. Okay,
the math book is changed.
math book is not changed now. Now you will see
And
this,
my changed.
my work. You just see this work that I have done here in copy. Okay, and nobody will speak. Nobody will speak now. Okay, let's be very silent. Okay, it is page number 131. We are reading this, or we are learning the counting area of rectangle. We are learning counting area of rectangle. Rectangle is this like figure. Rectangle is this type of figure. We called it rectangle. You have learned it already in your lower classes also. What kind of figure is called rectangle? This kind of figure. Okay, जसको चारवटा के हुन्छ
मैम
आर्म्स हुन्छ.
रामरारी देखेको छैन क्यार क्यार जस्तो देखे
You will not speak. Okay,
मैम
you will.
रामरारी देखेको छैन
No. Speaking is not allowed. Any speaking, you will try to uh, see it nicely, but you will not speak. Okay, so this kind of figure is called rectangle. What, how can we find out this is rectangle? This side and this
मैम
side
रामरारी
always
देखेकै छैन
equal.
मैम रामरारी देखेकै छैन केही देखेको छैन रामरारी
This side and this side,
मैम
they
रामरारी
are
देखेको
always
छैन
equal. And
मैम रामरारी देखेको छैन
keep quiet. You
मैम
you
रामरारी
try
देखेको
to
छैन
see.
मैम
If you do like this, then our class will not. Okay, now nobody will speak. Okay, try to see there. Okay, so फिगर, यस्तो फिगर जसको चारवटा के हुन्छ, चारवटा साइड हुन्छ, अनि चारवटा साइडमा पनि अगाडिको दुईवटा साइड इक्वल हुन्छ, अनि यो दुईटा साइड के हुन्छ, इक्वल हुन्छ. यस्तो फिगरलाई हामी रेक्टेंगल भन्छौँ. यो अगाडिको दुईवटा सेम हुन्छ, जस्तै दिस इज इफ 10 सेन्टिमिटर, देन दिस इज अल्सो 10 सेन्टिमिटर. Like this is 6 centimeter, so this side is also 6 centimeter. This and this two arms equal, two arms equal, and these two arms are equal. Okay, so this kind of figure is called rectangle. So today we are learning how to find the area of this rectangle. So today this is our topic, counting area of rectangle. So first of all we have to know what is area. Area भनेको के हो? Area is the total surface occupied by any object. Okay, area भनेको कुनै पनि अब्जेक्टले के गर्छ, त्यसले कति ठाउँ ओगट्छ, त्यो भनेको त्यसको एरिया हुन्छ. एन्ड कति ठाउँ ओगट्छ त, जति त्यसको साइज हुन्छ त्यही नै त्यसले के गर्ने हो, ठाउँ लिने हो. सानो अब्जेक्टले थोरै ठाउँ लिन्छ, ठुलो अब्जेक्टले धेरै ठाउँ लिन्छ है. सो एरिया भनेको त्यही हो. हाउ मच सर्फेस, जति सर्फेस त्यो अब्जेक्टले लिन्छ त्यही त्यसको एरिया हुन्छ. अब हामीलाई सपोज हामीलाई एउटा यो रेक्टेंगल दिएको छ, दिस इज वान रेक्टेंगल एबीसीडी. यो रेक्टेंगलको नाम के हो, एबीसीडी. We have to count or calculate this, the area of this rectangle. Okay, and this you see this formula. This is the formula of counting the rectangle, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle count गर्नको लागि यो formula हुन्छ, length into breadth. रेक्टेंगल को एरिया काउन्ट गर्नको लागि यो के हुन्छ, लेन्थ इन्टु ब्रेथ के हुन्छ, फर्मुला हुन्छ। ओके, यु हेभ टु लिसन अल्सो एन्ड अल्सो राइट इन योर कपी। यु आर राइटिङ एन्ड लिसनिङ। ओके, यु आर डुइङ both work at the same time. So this is one rectangle. The name of rectangle is ABCD, and you can see this is called length. लामो चाहिँ length हुन्छ, CD यो यसको length हो, AB length हो। this is 10 सेन्टिमिटर है। अब यो दुईटा बराबर हुन्छ भनेपछि यो 10 सेन्टिमिटर भयो भने यो पनि कति भयो, 10 सेन्टिमिटर नै भयो। okay, now this BD is 6 centimeter, so AC is also 6 centimeter। मैले के भने अगाडिको दुईवटा जहिले पनि के हुन्छ, बराबर हुन्छ। यो 10 भयो, यो पनि 10 भयो, यो 6 छ, यो पनि 6 छ भनेपछि यो एउटा रेक्टेंगल भयो। ओके, सो नाउ अब एरिया अफ रेक्टेंगल को फर्मुला यो छ हामीसँग, यो फर्मुला हामी याद गर्नुपर्छ। एरिया अफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू लेन्थ इन्टु ब्रेथ, लेन्थ इन्टु ब्रेथ। अब हामी लेख्छौँ यसको फर्मुला। दिस इज क्वेसन, हामीलाई यो क्वेसन छ, यसको रेक्टेंगल को हामी के निकाल्ने, एरिया निकाल्ने। सो एरिया अफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू लेन्थ इन्टु ब्रेथ। दिस इज हाम्रो फर्मुला भयो। लेन्थ कति हो, लेन्थ इज 10 सेन्टिमिटर। So we write length को मुनि we write the value of the length, it is 10 centimeter, and then breadth is 6 centimeter। लामो जुन लेन्थ हुन्छ त्यो जहिले लेन्थ हुन्छ, छोटो जुन डिस्टेन्स जुन हुन्छ त्यो ब्रेथ हुन्छ है। सो यो 10 हामी लेन्थ को भ्यालु 10 लेख्यौँ, and then we write the value of breadth, it is 6 centimeter. So 10 centimeter into 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter into 6 centimeter। यो फर्मुला हामी याद गर्ने। एरिया अफ रेक्टेंगल is equal to length into breadth. Length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter. So that 10 into 6, 6 is equal to 10 into 6, 60, 10 6 is 60। yes, and then we write centimeter, and यहाँ माथि चाहिँ हामी 2 लेख्छौँ, यसलाई स्क्वायर भन्छन्। सेन्टिमिटर स्क्वायर, किन स्क्वायर, किन 2 लेख्ने भन्दा this is 1 centimeter, this is another centimeter, 1 2 centimeter। त्यही भएर यहाँ चाहिँ माथि के लेखिदिने, 2 लेखिदिने। सेन्टिमिटर कतिवटा छ, दुईटा छ, 1 and 2। so that 60 centimeter square is the answer। 60 centimeter square is the answer। okay, again area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth। this is our formula। यो फर्मुला हो, यो हामी याद गर्नुपर्छ। रेक्टेंगल को लेन्थ हामीलाई दिएको छ 10 सेन्टिमिटर, ब्रेथ इज गिवन 6 सेन्टिमिटर। this is question for us, this is question to us। then we write the formula, what is the formula? area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth। area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth। यो फर्मुला यहाँबाट यहाँ लेख्यौँ हामीले हैन। now we have to see the length, कति लेन्थ छ, 10 सेन्टिमिटर छ, लेन्थ को प्लेसमा 10 लेख्दियौ हामीले। then breadth is 6 centimeter, then we write 6 here, then 10 into 6, 10 6 is 60। okay, 60, then centimeter square। why square? square means 2। किन square भन्दा this is 1 centimeter, this is another centimeter। एउटा सेन्टिमिटर अनि अर्को सेन्टिमिटर गरेर यहाँ सेन्टिमिटर को माथि 2 लेख्नु पर्छ। so this will be the answer, 60 centimeter square, 60 centimeter square। so in page number 132 there are 3 questions, 3 4, okay, many questions there are, you will do that। one question is here, question number 3A, it is in your book also। question is 4 centimeter is length and 3 centimeter is the breadth। 4 centimeter is the length and 3 centimeter is the breadth. Now we have to calculate the area of this rectangle. Suppose we give this name. Suppose we give this name P Q R S. Okay, P Q R S. Okay, जो इसको नाम क्या बोयो PQRS. This is one rectangle. Now we have to count the area of this rectangle. So we know the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. We write here area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. This is formula. Now what is the length of this rectangle? Is 4 centimeter. We write here 4 centimeter into breadth is 3 centimeter. यो लामो चाहिँ लेन्थ हुन्छ, छोटो चाहिँ के हुन्छ ब्रेथ हुन्छ. And this is 3 centimeter. Then 4 3 12. 4 3 12 and 1 centimeter another centimeter. Then we write here centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square. Very easy. Length is 4 centimeter. We write length here. Breadth is 3 centimeter. We write 3 here. 4 3 12. Then we write centimeter square. Why we write here square? Because this is 1 centimeter. This is another centimeter. Then it becomes 12 centimeter square. 12 centimeter square. 12 centimeter square. 12 centimeter square. Okay, so this way we have to learn the learn the calculation of the counting of area of the rectangle. Okay, आज हामी rectangle मात्रै पढ्ने. Only rectangle. Okay, so this is the way we have to do. Okay, I think this is now clear. So one question is this, जसमा चाहिँ लेन्थ कति थियो 10 सेन्टिमिटर, ब्रेथ कति थियो 6 सेन्टिमिटर. So area of rectangle is formula length into breadth. Then we write length value 10 centimeter. Then we write breadth value 6 centimeter. Both are multiplied. Then 10 into 6 60. Then 6 60. Then we write centimeter square. Why to write centimeter square? किन यहाँ सेन्टिमिटर को माथि 2 लेख्ने, 2 किन लेख्ने? किनकि यो एउटा सेन्टिमिटर हुन्छ, यो अनदर सेन्टिमिटर हुन्छ. त्यही भएर हामी सेन्टिमिटरको सीएम मात्रै लेख्छौं. पुरै सेन्टिमिटर भनेर लेख्नु पर्दैन. सी then we write 2 upside. Now question number 3. Question number 3A हाम्रो बुकमा छ पेज नम्बर 132 को क्वेशन मैले यही लेखिदिएको छु. ओके, जोसँग बुक Okay, so this way we do the calculation of the calculation of the calculation of the area. Now are you listening me? सुन्नुभएको छ मलाई? सुन्नुभएको छ मलाई? Okay. Now are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now no speaking. No speaking. म गर्दिन स्क्रिनशट तपाईले यहाँ. No, listen here.
Ma'am, यसलाई मेसेन्जरमा पठाइदिनुहुन्छ.
नहीं, म अब तपाईहरुले listen here. You will see this and you will do the question by yourself.
मेसेन्जरमा पठाइदिनुहुन्छ. Ma'am,
This is very easy. Very easy. This one is very easy.
Ma'am, आवाज आएन.
अब आउँछ. Okay.
Ma'am, आएछ आवाज.
Okay, this is two question. Okay, two question we did here. Now I will give you next question.
Ma'am, आवाज आएन.
अब
Ma'am,
यो
आवाज
यहाँ भन्दा धेरै देख्न त क्लासमा आउनु होला स्कुल खुलेपछि है. अब नबोल्नुस् है. म सब भन्दा उज्यालो आउने ठाउँमा आएर बसेको छु. ओके. अब यहाँ तपाईहरुले आफ्नो स्क्रिनको आफ्नो आफ्नो स्क्रिनको ब्राइटनेस बढाउनु. के हुन्छ चिन्नु तपाईहरुले के हुन्छ देख्नु. Okay, so this was one question and this is another question. Two question we did. Now you do the another question. This question, okay. This question you do yourself. Question number 3B. You question गर्नु. Are you listening me? सुन्नु भएको छ मलाई?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, clear. Ma'am, Ma'am, wait, son.
This question do, okay. Question number 3B. It is in page number 132 also. Length is 5 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay. Length is 5 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. Yeah, do right now and tell me the answer. Do right now same way. मैले जस्तो गरेर देखाएको छु तपाईहरुलाई गर्नुस्. अघि मैले तपाईहरुलाई फर्मुला देखाएको थिए. Yes, this way again you will do area of rectangle, length into breadth. This formula you will write and you will put this value. Length is 5 centimeter and breadth is
25 square.
3 centimeter. Okay. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now you do yourself. I want to see you can do or not. Everybody is doing okay. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. 5,000. तपाईहरुले उतैबाट मेरो म्युट गर्दिनु हुन्छ कि है? म त यहाँ केही पनि गरिरहेको छैन. नचलाउनुस्. Okay. Now do yourself. Give me this answer. What answer comes? Give me the answer.
मैम ये देखिए सही ना
15 centimeter. 15 centimeter square.
Question. Yes,
15
15 centimeter is
Ma'am,
square.
15.
Square. Square पनि भन्नु पर्छ है. If you don't write square, then answer will be wrong. So then 5 3s are 15 and centimeter, and do not forget to write this 2 here. Square. We should write square because this is 1 centimeter. This is another centimeter. So
Ma'am,
5
write
3s are
in soft
15
copy.
and
15
centimeter.
centimeters.
15
Ma'am, write in
centimeter
soft
is square.
copy. Ma'am, write in.
15. No, don't ask now. I will give you time. I will give you time.
Ma'am, write
Now do this question. Yes,
Ma'am,
everybody
write
is
in
writing
soft.
in sub. Yes.
Ma'am, soft copy in. Ma'am, write in soft copy.
Yes. Now don't speak. Okay. Now do this 3C question. Length is 6 centimeter. Breadth is 4 centimeter. Length is 6 centimeter. Breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now do this question and also tell me the answer. Okay. We are learning area of rectangle. How to find of area of.
That's why. Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
सब
question
copy.
number 3. Ma'am, screen share कर दीनो ना. Right.
मैम
Ma'am,
मैम
25.
मैम मैम
24.
मैम
स्क्रिन बुकको स्क्रिन ल लेख पहिला यो क्वेशन गर्नुस् अहिले पछि पछि कुरा गर्ने म 5 मिनेट राखेर कुरा गर्न दिन्छु ल तपाईले देख्नु भयो नि यो बुझ्नु भयो नि यस्तै गरेर यो क्वेशन गर्नु
मैम
दिन्छ
मैम
जो अनि
मैम मैम मैम
सुन्दिन
मैम
म सुन्दिन
सुन्नुपर्छ
I will not listen. Do this question. Question do. First of all, do question. Okay. Length is
Answer
6 centimeter.
60 centimeter.
Okay.
Square. 24 cm. Square. Ma'am, 24
They
square.
do very fast.
Ma'am, हजुरको आवाज केही सुन्ने छैन. 24 cm square. Ma'am, हजुरको आवाज सुन्ने छैन. Ma'am, 24 cm square.
तपाईहरुले त्यहीबाट म्युट गर्नुहुन्छ होला
24 cm square.
Yes.
मैम 24 cm
Okay, very good. Now do and this question. Now do this question. Okay, now I will not make these. I will write like this only. Okay, I will give you question. Length is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, breadth is
Ma'am, jarra देखेछ.
8 centimeter. Now this do. This is random question. आफै दिएको है र गर्नुस्. आफै दिएको मैले.
Ma'am, 80 centimeter square. Ma'am, all looking blur.
Not blur. अब सबै कहाँ हुन्छ त नि नानी? नेटको प्रब्लम हुन्छ. सबै कुरा.
Ma'am, looking all blur. Ma'am, all are looking blur.
तपाई धेरै बोल्नु भयो है. ल, कति छिटो गर्नुस्. Now time is also running out. तपाईले बुझ्नु भयो है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Those who talk, those who see there, they don't understand. Those who concentrate in study, they understand. Okay. So every time you don't have to draw this figure. तपाईलाई जहिले पनि यो फिगर बनाउनु पर्दैन है. यतिकै मात्र लेखेर पनि तपाईहरु के गर्न सकिन्छ? क्वेशन गर्न सकिन्छ. Now I will give you question this like. Okay. I will give you some length and breadth. Okay.
80 cm square. Ma'am, jar गरेर देखेछ. Ma'am, jar देखेछ.
देखेछ हैन राम्रो देखेछ. राम्रो क्लियर देखेछ. कस्तो राम्रो देखेछ. Okay. So length is the right. Length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Do this question also. Find
45
out
centimeter
the
छैन मैम 45 centimeter square
45 centimeter square. Good. Okay, now you can do yes. Okay, tomorrow we will learn how to count the area of square. आज हामीले रेक्टेंगल को कसरी काउन्ट गर्ने भने आज हामीले रेक्टेंगल को पढ्यौ
मैम
हैन
होमवर्क के हो
Who don't now time is not stop keep quiet no बोल्ने कोही पनि हामी फेरि रिवाइज गर्छौं है Today we read the area, how to count the area of rectangle and then area भनेको the total square surface occupied by any object is the area. है rectangle means जसको अगाडि अनि दुईटा अगाडिको लेन्थ चाहिँ के हुन्छ सेम हुन्छ that is called rectangle. So first question was this area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Then we write the put the values and we multiply them and we always write centimeter square. Don't forget to write centimeter square. Why to write centimeter square? Because 1 centimeter and another centimeter, then we write centimeter square.
मैम के आवाज आ छैन
Question number A from कति बोल्नुहुन्छ ओहो Okay. So this was question number 3A from your book, page number 132. This question is given in page number 132. Okay, you can those who don't have book, they will see the questions from the messenger. Okay, जसको चाहिँ छैन उहाँहरुलाई मैले क्वेशन बुक मेसेन्जरमा दिन्छु जसको बुकमा छ उहाँहरुले बुकबाट गर्नु होला ओके ओके प्ले
मैम त्यो पेज नम्बर कति छ मैम यो क्वेशन पेज नम्बर कति छ
कति पटक भन्नुपर्छ पेज नम्बर 132 हो भनेर
मैम
कति चोटी भन्नु पर्छ
पेज नम्बर 132
हो के
11
पेज नम्बर 132 तपाई यति बोल्नुहुन्छ सुन्दै सुन्ने हैन टिचरले भनेको अनि तपाईहरुले साइड साइडबाट के भन्नुहुन्छ पनि सुनिन्छ थाहा छ
1 3 4 5 6 मैम कुन क्वेशन लेख्ने
म दिन्छु अहिले दिन्छु म है तो कति जना आउनु भएको छ आज today how many we are 74 very good Sarita Shrestha Devina Kritika
3 4 5 6 7
Galaxy on 7 Pro who is this
मैम I don't know
Varsha Sumit Thapa is here Anurag Chetri Keshav Wagle Avishkar is तपाईहरुले साइड साइडबाट के भन्नुहुन्छ नि त्यो पनि सबै सुन्छ ओके वर्षा सृष्टि शिक्षित दीप्सन
39 40 41 42 44
okay J Galaxy J5 2016 who is this student Elisha Pratigya Anmol Niskarsh
57 58 59 60 62 63 64
कसलाई टेबल आउँदैन you have to read table also okay
okay ma'am
someone is reading table over there कसले टेबल पढेर बस्नु भएको छ
मैम
yes
जोमा त्यो ग्यालेक्सी अन प्रो छ त्यो चाहिँ ससिकाको
कसको
ससिका
पनि स्पेलिङ गर्नु त के हो
What I write this is 37 38 39
कति जनासँग बुक छ
43 44 45 मैम आई
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, I
You don't have,
I
then
have.
try as soon as possible, okay? बेसँग छैन उहाँहरूले
Ma'am, I have.
न किन्ने प्रयास गर्नुहोस् है।
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, ma'am.
आजको लेसन बुझ्नुभयो?
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am,
अच्छा,
I
सुन्नुहोस्,
have.
अब एउटा कुरा सुन्नुहोस् है। अब सबैको नेट प्रब्लम हुन्छ, सबै कुरा क्लियर आउँदैन है।
Yes, ma'am.
कहिलेकाहीँ नेट प्रब्लम हुन्छ। हिजो पनि 2-3 चोटि डिस्कनेक्ट भएको थियो मेरो यहाँ हैन। सबै हामी इन्टरनेटमै सबै डिपेन्डेन्ट छौँ हैन। सबै कुरा सधैँ मिल्छ भन्ने नि छैन। And yesterday's work did you do? I said not to send there in messenger. तपाईहरुले
Yes,
पढ्नु
ma'am.
भनेको थिएँ।
Yes, ma'am.
गर्न भनेको थिएँ मैले है।
Yes, ma'am.
अनि कतिजनाले लेख्दै लेख्नुहुन्न है, मलाई थाहा छ। Some of the students they don't write. They think that म्याडमले पठाउन नभन्नु भएको भनेर चाहिँ लेख्नु भएको छैन होला। Any other problem? साइन्स को ही नैतिक सूत्र ठाउनु भएन। नैतिक मैले गुनिराख्नु भएको छ। Today Oshis is not here. Oshis Devkota. Oshis is not here today.
Bye, ma'am.